Hey Tranont, I wanted to jump on and do a quick training on how to purchase your travel savings passes. There are two options. The first option I'm going to show you is once you're logged into tranont.com, you're going to click on travel at the top of the page. You'll scroll down till about almost the end of the page where it says travel savings passes and go ahead and click on purchase passes. This is going to open up the screen for you to be able to purchase either a 25 pack or a 100 pack, so you can select whichever pack you would like. You'll go ahead and check out and confirm your order that way. The second option is for you to click on your initials in the top right hand corner on that little black bubble, and you're going to select My Business, go to Travel, and you'll see your travel subscription in one box and manage saving passes in the other, where it says purchase passes right underneath. It's going to open up that same screen for you to purchase a 25 pack or a 100 pack. You'll select whatever's best for you. You'll go ahead and check out and they will be loaded into your travel. Thanks so much, guys.